Alright everybody, I just got something in the mail. Oh my God. Let's see what I got in the mail. Yeah. Alright. I'll do the small thing first. Oh my God. Alright, as promised, I said I was gonna do a video about the motion sensor switch. So found one cheaper on Amazon. You know, they run about $35 at Lowe's, you know, but hey, I found one cheaper on Amazon and I got it. Yes, I do. This is the motion sensor wall switch. I'm gonna show you a little bit later how we're gonna install it. Well, y'all, I really wasn't feeling it today when I was wiring it up, and I went and sat down and read the instructions that came with it. Now, I ain't wired these things up plenty of times, so I decided to refresh myself, and sometimes I like to read the instructions and look at the diagram. So the diagram was saying that this is a single pole connection where they want you to connect the white wire and then use the red on wire to connect to the other white neutral wire that's supposed to power the lightings. And then they want you to have both all black wires or hot wires connected together. Now, in the diagram, like I just explained, and maybe some electricians out here, some contractors out here, and they understand what I'm talking about here, is that they wanted me in the picture to take the red wire that is supposed to power the light and hook it up to the white neutral power supply that is going to the light or fan or whatever you're trying to wire up. So I kind of wired up like the picture, and then I had to think about it. It was working, but it wouldn't power the light on, and I'm like, well, what's going on? What's going on here? And I went to go back and look at it again, and I said, okay, this picture is the color that they're using is backwards and compared to what they actually mean. So, you know, when you're dealing with 12-volt systems, you know, we have a black wire, generally that's the negative. We got a red wire, that's generally the positive. When we're dealing with house wires and electricity, generally the white wire is considered to be the neutral wire, and the black wire is considered to be the hot wire. With that being said, if you want me to hook the hot wire up to the hot line, and the hot line is actually the black line that goes to the power supply, well, that means that the red wire should not be hooked up to the white neutral side, but yet it should be hooked up to the black hot side. And sure enough, that did the trick. That what was going on. Sometimes when they draw these pictures and they're not clarifying the correct colors. But then again, if you read and you do have some understanding of this, that you understand the hot wire is generally the black side and the white wire is generally the neutral side. So even though the color was white in their choosing, the black side was actually the hot side. And we're going to find out if this all works, and hopefully everything powers up. Trying to click it on, and boom, we got lights. And whenever you install this thing, you always got to press the button to activate it. All right.